Hello and welcome to Financeable on this new video on how to log in into Canara mutual fund account. So if you're a new subscriber, press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first you need to open the web browser. After that, in top there will be a source bar. Just click on the source bar and type Canara mutual fund login. After that, press enter in the keyboard and this source result will be shown to you. And just click on the first source result where there is investor login option. Just click on it and the interface will be open right in front of you. And in Canara, you can just take part in Canara if you are not the citizen of US or Canada. So you just need to select I'm not an US person or resident of Canada. After that, this is the portal where you can sign in or sign up, and if you haven't created an account, you can just click on the sign up button and follow through the instruction provided by Canara, and you'll be able to sign up. And when you have signed up completely, then you will be redirected to the sign in page where you can just enter your username or PAN number and you can enter your password and you can just sign in. And if you have forgotten your password, just below the password box there is a forgot password option or text. Just click on it and you will be able to retrieve the password. And when you have retrieved your password, just type the password in that box and click on the sign in button and you will be able to log in into Canara mutual fund account. So this is how you can easily log in into Canara mutual fund account. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.